Life's best moments happen in a flash. Capture them with Lit Hero, the small, easy-to-use, durable GoPro camera that's ready for whatever, whenever. Lit Hero's ready to go, straight out of the box. It comes with 3-in-1 mounting capabilities, making it easier than ever to change up your shots on the fly. And it gives you 3 levels of built-in brightness to illuminate your shots, from sunup to lights out, even in total darkness. Lit Hero is compact, lightweight, tough, and waterproof to 16 feet. Just toss it in your bag or tuck it in your pocket to take it anywhere. It can even go where you can't go. Lit Hero's intuitive touch controls make it easy to get the shot, so you can focus on the moment. Simply toggle between capture modes on the touchscreen for 16:9 or 4:3 4K 30 video, 16:9 4K 60 slow-mo video, or 12-megapixel photos. Then frame your shot and press the shutter button. Play back your video in GoPro's Quick app to automatically smooth any bumps or shakes with hyper-smooth video stabilization. With a built-in, long-lasting Enduro battery, Lit Hero lets you record longer than ever. And if you manage to scratch or crack the super strong Gorilla Glass lens on the go, you can simply swap it out with a twist to keep on rolling. Make your camera even tougher with the bumper-like protective sleeve, and easier to find in the water with Floaty. Lit Hero comes with built-in mounting fingers and 1/4-20 mounting threads, and it's Magnetic Latch Mount compatible, giving you 3 ways to quickly and easily swap your camera between mounts and accessories. Lit Hero only costs a fraction of our flagship camera, yet packs iconic GoPro performance, from razor-sharp image resolution to automatic highlight videos sent to your phone. Whatever and wherever your next adventure, you'll get the shot with Lit Hero.